Haven has the hiccups. Haven has the hiccups. You mad mama teasing you? 'Cause you have the hiccups. Haven has the hiccups. Are you discovering your hands? Oop. Haven has the hiccups. You are so cute with the hiccups. I'll stop teasing you though. Mwah. Mwah.